Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how to download Terraform that was developed by HashiCorp, and it is a tool to provide infrastructure as code. By infrastructure as code we mean that with the help of this open source tool you can manage and configure your cloud resources, and it is compatible with multiple cloud like AWS, Google Cloud, etc. So let's start. From Google you need to search for Terraform download, and this process is valid for any operating system. So click on the first link, that is terraform.io/downloads, and from here you can select your operating system. So Mac OS, Windows, Linux, FreeBSD, Solaris, etc. So as I want to go for Windows, so click on Windows, and from here you need to select for 386. Just click on it and it will download a zip file, and here is a zip file. Simply extract it or unzip it, and here is our downloaded file. So cut it from the download and go to your C drive and paste it. You can paste it anywhere, but preferable is if you go with C drive. Next, click on it, and it is having only one exe file. So one folder with one exe file for the Terraform. So simply click on the address bar and copy the path. Now we need to copy this path. Simply click on it and Control C to copy it. Now go to environment variable, edit the environment variable, and from here click on environment variables, and here you can see the path. Select the path, click edit, and then you need to make a new entry for the new path. Paste the path, copied path, and add a backslash, then OK. So the path is modified, and then press OK and OK. So the Terraform is installed. Now how to check it? You can check it with the PowerShell or through the command prompt. So here I am going to check it with the PowerShell. Windows PowerShell. Here write Terraform. Version. /version, and as it is showing the version of your Terraform, installed version of your Terraform, that means Terraform is installed successfully. Now you can use it to configure your cloud resources like EC2 instances, S3 buckets, etc. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.